What's up, guys? We are back with another video. I'm here with my friend Ben. If you're new to the channel and you're here for the first time, thank you. I'm gonna talk kind of quick because I don't have a lot of battery left, but Ben wanted to give me a little spirited drive in his 2008 Audi R8 with a titanium exhaust.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have the windows down a little bit, windows up, but I'm gonna shut up and let's get on with the drive.
Let's do it. So the suspension is it's pretty stiff right now. I have it on the stiffest mode for these coilovers.
Okay.
So it definitely makes it a lesser comfortable ride.
Okay.
But just holds the corners.
Am I gonna just need to hold on real tight?
Yeah.
Am I dying?
Honestly, the easiest way to do it is to lock your seatbelt and then
just hold on to
just kind of hold on to your seatbelt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Turn traction.
Oh yeah, there we go.
You wanted spirited, right?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I don't drive other people's cars like this, but if you want to, by all means.
And that's the speed limit right there.
Yeah, we don't speed on the red. No, we just came out of the Tesla, and that was like gut-wrenching quick.
Yeah.
This is like something else.
It feels so different steering this versus the Tesla.
Oh, that's cool.
That's Viper?
Yep.
So I want to roll down the windows and do a pull with the windows open.
Let's do it.
For you YouTubers, I hope that the mic doesn't pick up too much wind noise.
Oh, wow.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready. That sounds really good. Like,
It
really
doesn't
good.
sound like a V8.
No. When you hit 6,000 RPMs, there's another sound coming out of this car.
Yeah.
It's not the same. You can go left here. We can come back on a loop, actually.
I was going to hit the corners
Oh, yeah,
and
do
then
that.
turn
Yeah, do
off
that.
and come back up.
That's good too. It's always fun when you have an owner that like actually wants to drive the car and like, you know, push it to its limits.
Yeah. I go through tires a lot.
I can imagine. And what do you got on your Michelins?
Yeah.
That can't be cheap.
Honestly, not that bad. I got them for $1,200 from Tire Rack. Yeah.
Okay.
325 or 335 on the rear.
Oh my god.
And 285 in the front. Or no,
Alright.
I'm sorry, 245 in the front.
Wow. Okay.
So hopefully we can hit this with some speed on the way back.
All right. All right. Does not feel like a 12-year-old car to me, like whatsoever.
Just makes you smile, man.
Yeah.
Such a good stress reliever.
Do you enjoy just going out on drives after a long day of work?
Yeah.
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 Oh my gosh. It, you know, 450-ish or somewhere in that horsepower range. Doesn't sound like all that until you're inside. Like, until you're inside of here. They get moved my cameras.
Did it really?
Yeah. composed.
Very, very stable.
Yeah.
Especially at the speed limit.
That's... I can see why you like this thing.
Yeah. You gotta be...
never mind, don't turn right here. Scratch that. This guy's turning right.
Yeah.
Just go straight.
You gotta be careful though. You can get
in trouble, can't you?
In trouble pretty quick.
It sounds really good. That clutch grabs really well too.
So even when you're up like at the speed limit, I mean, it just holds so well around
Very
corners.
composed.
Your brakes are still there; they don't fade at all. Nice and tight, right at the top too. Lots of fun to drive.
Well, thank you for that.
Oh, you're welcome.
That was fantastic.
It's a great way to wake up, huh?
Yeah, and guys, just so nobody gets in trouble, we're gonna effectively end this video here. If you guys enjoyed this, like I said, I usually am the one driving, so I don't push cars that hard. I appreciate that you enjoy driving your car, and I got a chance to like really see what this thing can do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, smash that like button, share this, like this, do what you gotta do. But thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.